What are those called which you cannot see with your naked eyes but are visible under a microscope? At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe microorganisms, explain the classification of microorganisms, explain how vaccination works, describe the uses of microorganisms. You must have known in health and hygiene that you need to brush your teeth regularly to keep it free from germs. What kind of germs are we referring to? Recall, you have learned that the living things decompose. What helps them in decomposition? These are some unique organisms which are responsible for both the instances we have seen. Let us see what they are. Oh, wait a minute. Do you think we can see those organisms with our naked eyes? No, they are so tiny that we need a microscope or a lens to see them. Hence, they are called microorganisms. So, let us move ahead with a lens. Welcome to the world of microorganisms or microbes. If we have a closer look at the aqueous extract of soil particles using a microscope, we can find these microorganisms. Observe the drop of water from the pond and you can find them. Similarly, there are innumerable of them in our atmosphere surrounding us and also inside us. Microbes can live in all types of environment ranging from ice-cold climate to hot, dry climate. Researchers have found that there are microbes in Antarctic too. Such microbes which thrive even under cold conditions are referred as cold-loving. They are also present in the deserts and marshy lands. Microbes come in different shapes, sizes and forms. Let us see how we can